Hey guys, Nick here, and in front of me is the latest offering from the company Desk Stash, which is the quarterly subscription box service focusing mainly on office supplies and things for your desk. Now, with things opening back up and people slowly returning back to work, this is a great gift idea, great service for people that are just looking to spruce up their office, whether it still be at home or in cubicle hell. So we're gonna pop it open and see what's inside. I really like their stuff. I've done a few videos already on the channel. This is their spring box. I'm a little late opening it, and I believe they're shipping out their summer box relatively soon, so I'll do that one as well. So let's get into it. So this quarter, the box is rather compact. Last quarter was a bit larger, so, you know, good things come in small packages, or so they say. Each quarter you can expect a box filled with 5 to 7 curated items from the staff at Desk Stash. And, you know, they're relatively quirky, they have a good sense of humor, and if you're someone who enjoys desk setups and all things home office or cubicle office, this might be for you. So again, this is their spring box. We're popping it open for the first time, and this is kind of what you can expect. Each quarter they give you a little list of what's going on, and they also give you a little cheat sheet. I don't like to look at it, I like to be surprised, so we'll be surprised together and see what's in this quarter. So, let's see what we got here. Right away, I'm drawn to these things, which are coasters, you can tell right away. And as someone who's been working down here for the past 18 months with often a cold drink that's leaking all over my expensive desk, especially the stand-up desk, coasters are something that are always useful. These are good quality, cork board on the back and solid up front. And the design here is vintage typewriters. So again, vintage never goes out of style, right? Pretty heavy duty, not gonna have a problem with my, my drinks leaking all over the desk. Let's keep digging in here. This here is, okay, so these are magnet markers, or what they're calling. They're not actually markers that you draw with, but this is if you have documents, especially returning back to the office, maybe people have to sign invoices or contracts. These are little things you stick on your paper, has an arrow finger pointing to where the person's supposed to sign. You can use it as a bookmark, you know, get creative. All right, number 2, let's see what's going on here. These are what look to be like art supplies, you know, your classic oil paint, but knowing Desk Stash and their quirkiness, this is indeed not paint, but actually a pen. So let's see how these write. This is a red and a green. These are pretty cool. And they have a good feel to them. They are ballpoint. So this one I really like, and this is a perfect example of what Desk Stash is all about. Fun, quirky items, trying to cheer you up during the workday. Keep these on the desk. Everyone's gonna want to borrow your pen with a return to the office. And maybe even more so with school around the corner. I think the subscription box is really fun for kids as well. I know I've given a few items to my kids, and these are pretty cool. So digging further, what else we got here? We got a small box. It looks like Scotch tape of sorts. So 2 of these kind of look like graph paper. The other one, not sure what exactly it looks like, just a cool pattern. And you know the idea, you pop these into your Scotch tape dispenser. Good conversation starter if your office is as awkward as mine. Pretty cool. Digging further, wow, look at this. Looks like bookends. Well, yeah, looks like 2 of them. And these look like, you know, in Philly, they had the L-O-V-E artwork, those giant letters. That looks like that's what it's inspired by. And these are pretty solid, heavy duty, especially, I think you're paying 45 or 40 bucks a quarter. So, I mean, these are probably somewhat expensive to be just included randomly in a quarterly box. I think is pretty cool. So they say book on each end, and they're bookends. So I have a stack of random Tom DeLonge books in the background, as well as some Graham Hancock, Göbekli Tepe. So that'll spruce that up like that. What else we got here? These are stainless steel scissors. Oh wow, that's smooth. So a pair of scissors, nice and ergonomic. I mean, I'm not gonna sell you on scissors. They're scissors, right? So I'm always losing my scissors, cutting up cardboard for cardboard night here, recycling day. So always good to have another pair, and these feel pretty solid. And then, do we have anything else hiding in here? We certainly do. And this is, well, I thought it was an Apple AirTag for a second, or a holder, but this is actually a key ring with a scooter attached. So let's pop this open. Oh wow, nice unboxing there. If I can just get it out of the, yep. Oh wow, has a good weight to it. And the wheels actually work. It's kind of cool. This is pretty solid too. So I'm liking this. This is kind of cool. I'll probably keep my car keys on this for a little bit until it gets absurd keeping it in my pocket, but a fun, quirky item. And I think that is it for the spring box. And I feel like this quarter's box was a pretty good example of what you can expect from a typical quarterly box from this company. Fun, quirky desk items. If you're a desk setup junkie, or you're just returning back to the office and you're dreading it, you want to cheer yourself up, I think this quarterly box is a great option. If you like surprises, as I do, you're always going to get something that's definitely unique. So that about wraps this one up. As always, this has been Nick from Quick Tech. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also drop a comment down below. It helps the algorithm, you know that. And let me know what you think. If you know someone who would be interested in Desk Stash and the subscription box service, send them the video and send them that coupon code. It's 10 or 20% off. Everything will be down below. And we'll see you in the next one. You take care now.